Yo, what's up? And today I'm making and chicken and stuff. What salted? It looks like a lot. It's not actually that much.
Salt.
Salt the
Salt.
chick. Put the
Salt.
pepper in the chick and leave that for a bit.
Yep.
Wash hands, of course, because
it's
handling
salt.
raw meat. You know the gardener
Salt.
drill. What am I saying? I don't know. Anywho, got some pasta water to boil. Mistake number 1. Got some pesto alla genovese. Mistake number 1. Very good. The chick looking good. Do the oil, let the oil go around, you know. Spoon and fast. I've cut. Flip again. Put it on its side. Look at that. Yeah, other side. Wow. Hot oil. Like a real. I'll flip again. Put it away. Method. Should have done that. Just and I'm just gonna fucking. Pan. Boil the pot. I am. Eat some. Yes, cup. Save some brogel. And it'll, you know, spill, of course. And then you got toast butter into the. Yes, I like to not cream. And then yeah, it's a lot. I laughed. Toasted these. Toasted, nice. Not so very nice. That also was a lot, but yeah. Flashing the chick. Shred some Parmigiano on there. Shred. It's a lot of Parmesan. It's very good Parmesan. Shred. Yeah, more shred. That's enough. Look at that beautiful chicken. Beautiful chicken, right? Thingy is very hot. Yeah, so a little towel there. Again, you know. So a little bit of fresh grind pep, and that's it.